Hi, Kelly and Kathy and everyone with Queen City Mechanicals. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, this website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like Home Advisor and Angie's List. So the three things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlink. The first being content. So Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. The more you have, the better. But content is not just the words on your website. It's actually also the pictures and how the pictures are saved and what's behind the pictures and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so just to point out, this photo is saved as like just some random numbers and letters and prefixes. And so that's not bringing you any value. You want to go in and make sure that every single photo you have on your entire website is saved as a buyer intent keyword. So even though this might be a real nice fire suppression backflow setup right here and nice and symmetrical, it should be saved as Cincinnati Plumbing Company, for example. Right? That's just one example. There's a lot of different examples that you can use, but that's one, and that's what I would highly recommend doing. Also, having that volume of words. So any page you're trying to rank, you want to have 1,500 words as well as those pictures saved. And on this page, it looks like you kind of just have major pictures, not too many words. So I highly recommend having backflow preventers, having 1,500 words for that one. Your plumbing service, 1,500 words for that one. Plumbing construction, 1,500 words for that one. Any of these services that you value and that you want to bring in leads from, you need to have 1,500 words minimum on any of those. And then again, your photos saved properly. So go into your website, revamp, check all your photos, how they're saved, and add some more content. So next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Okay, those are going to give you citations. A citation directory would include Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce, just to name a few. Those are going to give you citations. So the more citations you have, the better. I typed in Cincinnati Plumbing Companies. We got Smithy's, we got the Geller Company, and we got Tarvin Plumbing. Okay, I didn't see you guys here. This has to do with citations, and really this is where you want to be. These guys are going to be bringing in the majority of the leads right here. And then if you're not here, you at least want your website to be ranking organically down here. And this is what we were talking about. Like, for example, Neiman and Apollo. They're on the main page for plumbing companies through their website and their search engine optimization. But yet, if you look, they're not here in the map pack. And that's really good because they're getting some of that volume. And that's not through having a Cincinnati address. So they're getting it through their website organically. And then even if we typed in Cincinnati Mechanical Companies, you guys aren't here either. We got Shure, we got Jacobs, and we got Cincinnati Mechanical Services. So you guys are not here, even though mechanical is even in your name. So definitely some room to grow. We got Geller, though. Geller's here. So just a couple things to consider, and that has to do with citations. So I actually have your guys' Google My Business page pulled up here. 7 reviews, not too bad. We recommend 25 minimum. So just keep pushing those reviews. We recommend 25 minimum. So just keep pushing. And then down here, I highly recommend adding your website. You got your address, your hours, your phone, but your no website. So I would highly recommend adding your website to help drive traffic to it. Maybe wait till you revamp your website a little bit, but I would highly recommend doing that to help drive traffic. Last thing is these photos. So we recommend 10 photos minimum. Looks like you guys are well above that 10 mark. So keep up the good work on these photos. Just go in and make sure, again, that all these photos are saved properly. Okay, because if these photos aren't saved properly, they're just here to look good and they're not bringing you any value whatsoever. Other than that, your Google My Business page looks good. The last thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL. So anywhere that queencitymechanical.com is at is going to give you a backlink. But remember, not all backlinks are created equal. And so you guys actually have 53 backlinks from 23 referring domains. But if you look, your domain rating is only a 4.1 out of 100. So definitely a lot of room to go. That's why we're not seeing you on the first page anywhere because of this reason. And so you want to get your backlinks from sites that are relevant to the business and that aren't spammy. So go in, you only have 53 backlinks to look through. Highly recommend doing your homework and removing any backlinks that aren't providing you any value and adding some that will provide you value. Also, I'd like to point out that you guys are not ranking for any organic keywords. Part of that is because you don't have many words on your website. It looks like you took more time with pictures as opposed to words. Well, words is really where it's at. And then, again, those pictures that you do have aren't saved right. So you have no organic keywords, and your domain rating is only a 4.1. So definitely a lot of room to grow. I hope that you find the time to implement these tips and tricks to revamp up your website so that it's actually working for you instead of just being here on the web and looking good. Other than that, any questions or comments or feedback, do feel free to get in touch with us. And I hope your 2021 is prosperous and healthy. And thank you very much for watching.